Getting paid more but still broke? You're not alone. Lifestyle creep is real, and it's just one of the traps we're exposing today. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Adia, and this is part 2 of our series on sneaky money habits draining your wealth. Today, we're tackling 4 more subtle habits that quietly sabotage your financial goals. We'll break down what they are, why they're so damaging, and give you practical steps to fix them. Grab a notepad, and let's dive into the 4 habits that might be costing you a fortune. First up, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, and suddenly, your spending rises to match it. New car, bigger apartment, fancier dinners. The danger: you're earning more but not building wealth, just living paycheck to paycheck at a higher level. To fight this, have a plan for every raise. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Save or invest 50%, use 30% for debt, and only 20% for lifestyle upgrades. Automate your savings so you never see the extra cash in your checking account. Before upgrading anything, ask, do I need this, or just want it because I can afford it now? Sometimes the best move is to keep your lifestyle the same and bank the difference. Intentionality is key. Don't let spending happen on autopilot. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. Every raise is a chance to accelerate your wealth, not just your expenses. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Avoid the treadmill, step off, and start building real wealth. That's how you break the cycle. Next, let's talk about the ignorance tax, the cost of not knowing how money works. Not understanding credit cards, investing, or basic financial terms can cost you thousands over your lifetime. Most of us weren't taught this in school, but it's never too late to learn. Commit to reading one personal finance book every month or 2. Use free online resources and courses to fill in the gaps. APR, Roth versus traditional IRA, FICO score, ETF, asset allocation. The more you know, the more confident you'll be with your money. Don't let fear of not knowing hold you back. Let it motivate you. Improving your financial literacy is one of the highest return investments you can make. Take small, consistent steps to learn. The ignorance tax is optional. Choose to stop paying it. Empower yourself to make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Your future self will thank you. Now, let's tackle grocery waste and impulse buying. Tossing out food or grabbing extras at checkout seems minor, but it adds up fast. The average household wastes hundreds of dollars a year on uneaten food. Start with meal planning. Know what you'll eat, check what you have, and shop only for what you need. Always use a shopping list and stick to it. Never shop hungry. Impulse buys skyrocket. Embrace leftovers, repurpose them into new meals, and save both time and money. For 1 week, track what you throw away and how much it cost. Seeing the waste in dollars is a powerful motivator to change. Small tweaks in your grocery routine can free up serious cash. Be intentional with your food spending. Less waste, more savings. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. The last habit, delaying retirement savings. I'll start later is a costly lie. Compound interest rewards those who start early, even with small amounts. Waiting just 10 years can cost you hundreds of thousands in lost growth. If you haven't started, begin with just 1% of your income. Getting started is the hardest part. Gradually increase your contributions as you get comfortable or get raises. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to get the full match. Don't leave free money on the table. Use tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs and 401ks as soon as possible. The earlier you start, the more your money grows tax-free. Don't gamble with your future. Time is your greatest ally. Even small amounts add up over decades. Start now, no matter how little. Your future self will thank you for every dollar you invest today. Don't let procrastination rob you of financial freedom. If these habits sound familiar, don't stress. You're already on the path to change. Pick 1 or 2 habits to tackle first and start making small, consistent improvements. Every positive step adds up to big results over time. In part 3, we'll cover the final 4 wealth-killing habits and share a 4-week reset plan. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and comment below. Which habit hit you hardest? Let's build wealth together. See you in the next video.